Okay, see children, here the set of words has been given and here the pictures has been given. Okay, we want to make a line to the correct picture. Okay children, did you understand what I said? Listen children, this is a word here given. Okay, in this column the picture has been given. We are going to make a line to the particular picture. Okay, let's see. This is a rock. Let's just pronounce it correctly. Rock, rock, rock. Yes, it's getting a rock. Okay, just tell me where is the rock in the picture. Just tell me where is the rock in the picture. Find out. You are going to find out, not I am. Did you find it out? Did you find it out? Did you got it? Yes, tell me yes or no. Yes, did you got it? Okay, just I put a line to here. Okay, the next word is lock, lock, lock. Okay, just find out where is the lock picture. Yes, you are going to find it out. Just tell me where is the rock picture. Yes, this is a lock. Very good. Okay, next pronounce it correctly. Sock, sock, sock. Okay, find it out. Where is a sock? See it carefully children. See it carefully. Place your forefinger from the top and find it out from the to bottom, from the top to bottom. Search it, search it. Did you got? Yes. Where did you got? Yes, you got the sock here, isn't it? Okay, shall I make a line to the sock? Okay. Next one is, what is the sound of yes? Sick, sick. Okay, sick means not healthy. Okay, fever. Sick means fever. Okay, just tell me where it's a picture which is related to fever. See here one boy is sleeping, isn't it? He is become a weak, isn't it? If you get sick, then we will become a sick. Okay, let's look at this picture. He is sick. He kept a thermometer in his mouth. See here. See it carefully here. He kept a thermometer in his mouth. So he is sick. So shall I put a line to there here? Okay, shall I put a line to it? Okay. Okay, next. See here. Kick. That is sound of K is K, isn't it? This I means E. Kick. Kick means they kicking the ball. Okay, just tell me where the picture which having the picture like kicking the ball. Find out the boy is kicking the ball. Find it out. Using your forefinger, keep it from the top to bottom. Just search it out. Search it out, children. Yes, you got it. Very nice. Shall I put a line to this? Very nice. Okay, next one is truck. 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 You want to find it out? Where is the truck? Just find it out where the truck is here. Just keep your forefinger here from the top to bottom. Just find it out. Find it out. Did you find it out? Yes, tell me where is a truck? Yes, here is a truck. Shall I put a line? Very nice. Good. You are doing a very good job. Cheer up. Okay, let's move to the next word. W-I-C-K. Wick. Not wick. Because a V if comes means we will say wick. This is a wick. Okay. So where is a wick? Just find it out. Where is a wick? On the last exercise I told you what is wick. Okay, just find it out. Where is a wick here? Just keep your forefinger and just keep your forefinger from the top and just find it out. Find it out to the bottom. Yes, did you find it out? Yes, did you find it out? Okay, where is a wick? Yes, here is a wick. Shall I put a line to this? Very good, children. Okay, let's see the last word. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Stick. Find it out. Where is a stick in the picture column? Keep your forefinger from the top and just find it out. Did you find it out? Yes, where is the stick? The stick is here. Okay, children, in this column the words are given, and in this column the picture has been given, isn't it? Okay, we just match the word to its related image. Rock, R-O-C-K, rock, rock, lock, L-O-C-K. See, sound of C-K is K. Sound of CK is long K. Okay, just remember that. Okay, now just tell me the first two letter word alone. Lock, lock. Sock, sock. Sick, sick. Kick. Trock. Very good. Weak. Stick. Okay, the C sound of CK is K. Okay, that only I am coming to tell you. The sound of CK is K. Okay. Okay, if the CK comes together, then it will be sounds like K. Okay, children. Now we understand. Let's move to the next one. Okay.